Is out. The IRS released its list of the biggest scams for this tax season.
This comes just days after TurboTax was temporarily shut down. It stopped processing tax returns after a spike in fraudulent filings. An IRS spokesperson sat down with KRDO News Channel 13's Emily Allen to sort through what you need to know.
It's the thing you've worked and waited for. The IRS wants to make sure your tax refund goes back in your pocket and not someone else's.
Even though we see these scams all year long, they tend to peak during filing season.
From Minnesota to Virginia, people know victims of scams.
His son's just filed his return and it had been filed already.
Or they've been one.
It's a huge inconvenience, especially if you're expecting a refund.
On the IRS's list to watch for this year, phone scams, identity theft, and phishing.
You'll get an email and they'll try to get you to provide pertinent information to them.
IRS spokesperson Karen Conley says these criminals are smart.
A lot of the people that come and try to sell you this scam are very convincing. They're often very charismatic, and they'll tell you just about anything to get you to buy into it.
So what can you do? File early.
Once your Social Security number is used in the system, no one else can file with that Social Security number.
Hire someone you trust.
Not somebody who just blows into town who's offering the biggest refund. Generally speaking, if they're offering you something you've never heard of before or something that seems too good to be true, you should avoid that.
And trust your gut.
The caveat holds true though. If it sounds too good to be true, it probably is.
The deadline to get those taxes in is April 15th. In Colorado Springs, Emily Allen, KRDO News Channel 13.
And by the way, we have started a tax section on KRDO.com. The link is on the right side of the homepage, about halfway down.
County commissioners in Puebla.